I love this place so much. Watch the pelicans, watch them diving. There must be some fish there. Probably some guts and things. Just want to stay here, put my feet in the water and just be. Must have been a fish in a previous life. I love the sea. If you get a chance to come to Jamaica, make sure you visit Bunch of Grapes for some beautiful fish, or you can come here and have fish right next to the sea. There is a restaurant here called Little Ochie, and you can literally, all of this here is where you can sit, have your delicious freshly caught fish food, seafood, and enjoy the sea and the ocean breeze and the people. Jamaica gets a bad rap, a very bad rap, but it is a wonderful place. The people here are friendly, they are kind. I mean, don't get me wrong, you get the odd person, because, you know, you get the odd person everywhere. But if you're polite and firm back, you don't have no trouble. I have no trouble at all. You can just come and be.